Chicago.
Call you up in the middle of the night, like a firefly without a light. You were there like a blowtorch burning. Was a key I could use a little turning. So tired that I couldn't get to sleep. So many secrets I couldn't keep. Promised myself I wouldn't weep. One more promise that I couldn't keep. It seems no one can help me now. I'm in too deep, there's no way out. This time I have really led myself astray. Runaway train, never going back. Runaway on a one-way track. Seems like I should be getting somewhere. Somehow I'm neither here nor there.
From the middle of the city to the middle of the map, I was sitting by the window with a bottle in my lap. Had everything I grabbed packed up in my bags, contemplating conversations we could never have. Just up and ran, never look back. Jump bill, no drill, headed on the track. Now every time I think about it, I just have to laugh. You were everything but anything a man could ever ask. Now I'm living with a woman that I married at a glance. My inspiration, motivation, and my only chance. Delivered at a mass, for walking on my life regardless of my hardest past. I was hollow as a man, probably swallowed every other kind of color other stance. Lonely as a boy, could only do bad. Bought a one-way ticket to a far-off land. Stuck in a place that I still can't stand. On the run from the law with my dick in my hand. And when the closing in, and you can tell I'm on a plane. Dang.
Bought a ticket for the runaway train, like a madman laughing at the rain. Little out of touch, little insane. Just easy